show you the exact step-by-step process to move your Bitcoin from Cash App to Coinbase without hitting network delays and the critical network match rule that ensures your Bitcoin doesn't vanish into the blockchain. If you're ready, hit that like button. Let's get into the fix. Before we move any capital, you must understand the single most important rule of crypto transfers: network compatibility. Bitcoin exists on its own dedicated blockchain ledger. When you transfer from Cash App to Coinbase, you must ensure you are sending a Bitcoin to a Bitcoin address. If you accidentally paste a Litecoin or Ethereum address into the Cash App sender field, the blockchain will process the transaction. Still, your funds will be permanently lost, and Coinbase will not be able to retrieve them. So always double-check that both apps are set to the Bitcoin network before you hit confirm. To start the transfer, you need to tell Cash App exactly where to send the digital assets. Open your Coinbase app and tap the transfer button or the receive icon on the home screen. Select Receive Cryptos and then search for and select Bitcoin, BTC, from the asset list. Ensure the network selected says Bitcoin. Coinbase will now display a long string of alphanumeric characters and a QR code. This is your Bitcoin wallet address. Tap the copy icon next to that string of characters. Do not try to type this manually. One single typo will result in a total loss of funds. Now that you have your destination ID, it's time to send the funds from Cash App. Open Cash App and tap the Money tab on the bottom left, then select the Bitcoin tile. Tap the arrows or Send button and choose Send Bitcoin. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to move. You can toggle between USD or BTC amounts by tapping the currency symbol. In the TAS field, paste the Coinbase address you just copied. Tap Next and select your withdrawal speed. Cash App typically offers 3 tiers: Priority, which arrives in about 10 minutes for a small fee; Standard, which arrives within 2 hours, usually free if you send more than 0.001 BTC; and Rush, which arrives in about 2 hours for a flat fee. Review the transaction details carefully, confirm with your PIN or Face ID, and your Bitcoin is officially on its way. If this is your first time withdrawing Bitcoin, Cash App may prompt you for a quick identity verification before that Send a button becomes active. This is a one-time regulatory step. Additionally, Cash App has significantly increased Bitcoin withdrawal limits for eligible customers, up to 5x higher than previous years, making it much easier to move larger amounts of crypto to external exchanges. Navigate the Cash App withdrawal portal and choose the right network speed to secure your transfer. If you have any queries or input, comment below, and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials, and check the description below for more. Don't forget to subscribe for more of such educational videos, and thanks for watching.